Hello, Mr. Crow. Let's look at the bird seed. See, you got hummingbirds. I just put their water there. Oh, they ate the one side up. There's another side. I just put fresh hummingbird, sweet hummingbird sugar water just the other day. Come on, hummingbirds, get your food.
I need an intervention, divine intervention, you know. Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully. The shadows of my past welcome me again with a smile. But something deep within, something new, lets me emerge from my cocoon. I only have what's right in front